And for that, we're going to head over to Ron right now. Ron, it feels so mild out there this morning. I mean, it puts you in a good mood.
It certainly does. Temperatures up in the right around the 50-degree mark right now. This is the setup that we have across the U.S., this warm surge of air. So it's not just here. Places like Ohio, Indiana, up into parts of Wisconsin, all are waking up with really warm temperatures this morning as the system sets to slide through, though. We were going to have the chance for severe weather over the next couple of days in a couple of spots. Right now, we actually just are now seeing right along the Iowa-Illinois border there. This is over into Illinois. Here's Davenport, Iowa. We're seeing our first severe thunderstorm warning firing at this point. It's because of hail, large hail that's going to be possible there. And that is right in the eye of where they're expecting really a lot of activity to go on today when it comes to severe weather. That stretches down into parts of Arkansas. Remember all of those pictures coming in of all of the destruction in Arkansas? Well, unfortunately, they are set to get round 2 today with some nasty storms. For us, we wait until tomorrow. That's where our severe weather chances are going to be in place. You can see the biggest chance for the severe weather on Wednesday comes in for places like Ohio, Indiana, and Kentucky. Michigan also. We're going to be on the edge of that because as the severe weather threat is rolling in, we're going to be looking at the sun going down. We get a very quick round of some rain that will actually settle us down a little bit, so that should bring down our severe weather threat overnight. But I will warn you that we do have, unlike this weekend, we have a higher chance also for tornadoes coming through with the severe wind. There's going to be a lot of spin in the atmosphere as this instability is here, and because of that, the tornado risk is going to be higher also. Straight line winds the main threat, but we can't rule out a tornado. Strongest storms arriving late in the afternoon on Wednesday. Even in the morning hours, though, we'll have a chance for some brief rain. This could have an impact. This has been fairly consistent data showing brief impact on the morning commute. Temperatures tomorrow morning as we're starting off, we're already into the mid-60s. I have our high temperature in Pittsburgh at 82 degrees tomorrow. If you remember yesterday, or if you checked on the blog, I had mentioned, hey, even though I'm keeping us in the 70s right now on Wednesday, this was yesterday, I was like, there's a solid possibility we'll be bumping it to the 80s. And then late into the night, this is at 9 o'clock, we'll start to see stormy conditions coming through. A couple of very fast-moving storms that will have that chance for some severe weather rolling through late Wednesday into Thursday will continue as that cold front slowly gets here. So solid chances for rain and storms on Wednesday. Because it's not going to impact a lot of the day, it's just a 60% chance. Thursday, coverage will be a little bit more. Most of that rain in the morning hours, so we have slightly a better chance for rain, but your storm chance peaks on Wednesday afternoon. Pittsburgh, right now we're at 57 degrees. Winds are out of the southwest at 13 miles an hour. Here's a look at those temperatures for you. It is mild out there this morning. High temperature today again should be at around 71 degrees. 82, your Wednesday expected high. Thursday high coming in at 58 degrees. Not as warm on Friday, just a high of 54. We're down to 34 for our morning low temperature, and then we're up in the 60s. It's dry both Saturday and Sunday, and a high on Monday coming in at 70.
All right, thanks, Ron.